How to delete Facebook block list permanently without unblocking. So first thing first, open your Facebook app and here you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. After that, just go to your profile at the top right and here go to your settings. After going to the settings, just scroll down a bit until you see this option called blocking under audience and visibility. Just tap on this option. And here you will be able to see the bunch of people that you have blocked. You will be able to see the list of people you have blocked here. And let's say you are fed up of those blocked lists and you want to remove all of them at the same time. So in order to do that, what you need to do is, you don't really have the function here at the moment, but what you can do is just go back and here scroll down a bit on your profile. Here tap on help and support. After tapping on help and support, you will see the option called report a problem. Just tap on it and here you will be able to see the option that says go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. Just tap on OK, but before tapping OK, I want you to make this toggle option just turn on and tap on OK after that. After that, just get back to the place where we are fixing the issue. Just get here and here you will be able to see the blocking option again. Just tap on blocking and shake your phone. After shaking your phone, you will be able to see this interface. Just tap on report a problem. It will take a few seconds for you to load and you will be able to see this thing. Just tap on include and you will be able to see this screenshot. So what you need to do is just tap the issue here saying that you want to delete your Facebook block list permanently and submit it to the Facebook official app. And then after 24 hours or certain hours, you will be able to have the solution for deleting your Facebook block list permanently by following those steps without unblocking. So in this way, you can delete your Facebook block list permanently without unblocking. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.